In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in Ssemble. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add background music to your clip using Semble's built-in tools, keeping your workflow simple and your results polished. First, sign into Ssemble. Use the same login method you normally use and give the page a moment to load your workspace. A stable internet connection helps here, since Ssemble runs in the browser and needs to load your project smoothly. Once you're in, open a clip in the editor. This should be the video you want to enhance with music. If you're already in a project, just click the clip's thumbnail or name from your project view and open it in the main timeline. You'll know you're in the editor when you can see the timeline, preview window, and the tool panels around it. Next, click on Edit. This brings up the editing controls for the selected clip. Think of this as your central place for making meaningful changes without bouncing between menus. If you don't immediately see Edit, look for it near the clip options or in the side panel. Ssemble keeps it easy to reach. From there, go to Hook. In Ssemble, the Hook section is designed to help you shape that initial feel and impact of your video, and it's also where the background music option lives. Opening Hook gives you access to settings that can subtly lift the energy of your clip right from the start. Now, toggle on background music. You'll see a switch or button that activates a music bed for the clip. Turning it on typically reveals a set of curated tracks or categories. This toggle is handy because you can enable or disable music quickly as you audition different options. Keep an eye on your preview. The video should update so you can hear how music blends with any existing audio. Finally, select the music. Browse through the available tracks and pick one that matches your video's tone. Upbeat for energetic content, softer for tutorials or voiceovers. Pay attention to pacing and mood. If your clip includes spoken audio, choose a track that supports rather than overwhelms it. Many libraries offer short previews, so take a few moments to listen before confirming your choice. When you've found a good fit, select it to apply the track to your clip. That's it. You logged in, opened your clip in the editor, clicked Edit, went to Hook, toggled on background music, and selected the music. With these steps, you can quickly give your video a professional, cohesive sound without complicating your process.